Today, when we look at the international stage, we see wars, rivalries, and divisions between nations and geopolitical blocs. These conflicts reflect an old way of thinking, rooted in fear, in power struggles, and in destructive logics that belong to the past. But the truth is that these approaches have never truly solved humanity's challenges. They only create new walls, new wounds, and new crises. The real solution lies in something different, in recognizing that we are one human family. Instead of competing against each other, we must collaborate, building bridges, not barriers. That's why I believe in the idea of the United States of the world, a vision where nations join forces, where cooperation replaces confrontation, and where peace and prosperity are shared goals for all. This is not just a dream, it is the path we must take if we truly want a future worth living. Together, we can make it real. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your perspective. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.